Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop photo on Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our Photoshop application. And after we have this Photoshop application opened, we can choose a photo we want to crop. For example, I'm just going to crop this photo, so I'm going to click on it. And then if we want to crop it, we can simply click on this crop option. Then we can crop it as we want, like this. Or we can choose the aspect ratio that is available on our Photoshop. You can choose it as you want, guys. There are a lot of aspect ratios we can choose, and I'm just going to crop it like this. Then after we're done cropping the photo, we just need to click on the save button. Then the photo will be saved to our device. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can crop photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.